Hi everyone, I hope you all had an excellent holiday season. My name is David Irwin and you are watching 60 Second Sunday. This is my short form tutorial series where I walk you through some tips, tricks and workflows within the world of graphic design. Today we are going to start working in Adobe Illustrator 2019. First, taking a look at one of the most versatile tools within the application, the Shape tool. It's actually a collection of 4 or 5 tools, but I clumped them all together. Be it squares, rectangles, stars, or even polygons, the Shape tool is a quick way to build designs from the ground up. You can use the tool as a basic building blocks for some incredibly advanced designs, but you can't get there without knowing the basics first. So without further ado, let's just jump into the computer, into Adobe Illustrator, and I'll show you the tool. So first up we have the square tool. You can get to this tool by either finding it in the drop-down menu or hitting M on your keyboard. Drag the square out using the cursor or your mouse. If you hold down the Option, it will drag a complete freeform square rectangle. If you hold down Option Shift, it will drag a proportionally direct square. Next you have the Ellipse Tool. This is the circle tool. Same deal, hold down Option to create from the center, Option Shift to create proportionally. It allows you to create an ellipse or a circle. Next we have the rounded corner square, which is good because it allows you to control the curvature of the corners, as you can see here. Next up we have the Polygon Tool. This is interesting because it allows you to create different points by using the arrow keys, and it's the same deal. Hold down Option to create from the center and hold down Option Shift to make it proportional. And finally we have the star key. If you hold down the Option, it will give you 2 different styles of star, and if you use the up down arrows, it will allow you to change the points on that star. So there you have it. That was the Shape tool and 60 Second Sunday episode 4. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. I will be going into details on each of the shapes and doing probably another 60 Second Sunday on each of them, what you can do with them, the kind of different options that you get. I blew through this tutorial very quickly, but it's something that you can explore. I will be going into details in a separate tutorial on each of these shapes and showing how you can build some far more complex designs just using these tools. But always remember, this is a tool. You shouldn't use it as a crutch for building your designs. Very versatile though. The Shape tool can be used with the Shape Builder tool to combine shapes and create far more versatile, picturesque designs within Adobe Illustrator. It is something that you should look at and something that you may want to know and feel around a bit. There's some really excellent tutorials on YouTube. Personally, I learned about this program through lynda.com. So if you're interested in learning some more advanced instructor-led courses, which aren't as chopped up and they have more structure, that's where I would go. Let me know what you think of the tutorial, and if you have any suggestions or questions for me, do send it over. Both myself and Crash, my dog, would love to hear them. So yeah, thanks very much guys. I'll speak to you in the next one. Cheers. Hi everyone, I hope